Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are present of taking the effect of temperature on solids, liquids, and gases. We have talked in previous video about matter and three state of matter. Now today we will know that what is the effect of temperature on three states of matters such as solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, we have known that solids solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Solids are generally very hard. Solid cannot follow. Okay, so now we start one by one. Okay, first the effect of temperature on solids. First of all, we understand what is temperature. Temperature is a physical cause from which we feel hotness or coldness. It is called temperature. Okay, so what effects of temperature on solids? We see when we supply heat on solids, so then on increasing the temperature of solids, then we see its kinetic energy increases. The particles start to vibrate with greater speed. Next, the force of attraction between the particles are break down. Okay, next it start to flow at given temperature. At a certain stage the solid melts and is converted into liquid. Okay, so we see changes in solids when we supply heat on solids. Okay, next melting point. Okay, the temperature at which a solid is converted into liquid, it is called melting point. For an example, ice. Okay, next is latent heat. Latent heat, the heat required to change of state of matter, okay, is called latent heat. Next, latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at atmospheric pressure, it is called latent heat of fusion. Okay, now we come in effect of temperature on liquids. Okay, so when we supply heat on liquids, so what do we see changes in liquids? We see. Okay, so when we continue to supply heat energy on liquids, then we see its kinetic energy increases. Its particles start moving with greater speed. Next, it breaks the force of attraction between the particle at a certain temperature. Okay, now next boiling point, ठीक है, at which temperature or liquid converts to gas, it is called boiling point. For example, water. Okay, here we would not, ठीक है, more explain about on this topic, ठीक है. Next, effect of temperature on gas. Okay, so when we supply heat on gas in a closed container, so then what do we see? Changes in gases. Let's okay, we see. So then we see its kinetic energy increases, its particles start to move vigorously. Okay, when the particles strike on container walls. Next, pressure increases on the walls of container. Next is vaporizations. Okay, vaporizations, the process or liquid converted into gas, is called vaporization. Okay, example H2O, that is liquid. So when we give heat and temperature is greater than 100 degrees Celsius, so then we obtain gas as H2O. Okay, and there are substances which is directly to changes from one state to another state, from solid to gases. Okay, it is called sublimation. Sublimation, the process in which solid changes directly into gaseous state without changing into liquid state or vice versa. It is called sublimations, and the substance is called sublimate. For an example, CO2. CO2 is also called dry ice, ice crystals and camphor, incense stick, etc. Okay, these are substances which is directly to changes from solid to gases. It is called sublimations. Okay, so now my friends, I end my video here. Now we will meet in next video.